the magic. Bet I need the panic. Yeah, man, don't want that thank you. That thank you. Got me singing like
So what's up? How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisha Dees. Thank you guys so much for sticking and staying with your girl. So today I'm gonna be making some fried chicken and some potato salad, yes, to go with my leftover rice and peas that I cooked on Sunday. And you know, we Jamaican, I will cook Sunday, Monday. Yes, I also have some leftover oxtail that I have as well, you know, so we're gonna be making some extra fried chicken and some potato salad to go with it. So stick and stay, you know, or come along with me in the kitchen as per usual, you know, and help me make this meal. And feel free to leave your comment at the end of the video. Let me know, you know, what you think about the food, rate the food. Like I always said, I'm no chef, I'm just doing what I love, right? And everybody who knows me know that cooking is one of my, you know, things that I love to do. All right, so stick and stay with your girl and keep watching. And yeah, I could go match this up now. But no, this is Irish.
That's sugar cane?
Irish potato marinade. Irish.
For what? Why are we eating Irish?
I'm gonna make potato salad, yeah.
Oxtail? Is that oxtail?
Yeah, I'm
gonna use the
gravy. I'm gonna use the gravy.
Go on.
So yes guys, I don't know what happened to my heat, but it was not working. So I just put a TV on this fireplace station and look at these two. Look at them on the couch getting all nice and cozy.
put honey on it, huh? Like the honey dip.
Hey, pass me the broom.
My feet are cold.
Can't make nothing pass it. That's you. see my plate? Go back so you can see my plate. Put on this. Alright, I think I want to pair this with a glass of wine. Okay? I don't even know which one to put the fat. Put the fat for now. Put the fat right next up. Alright. Fancy! I'm gonna get more red wine. And I'm the juice. I'm just gonna drink it with some wine. Understand? This is my favorite red wine because I'm not a fan of red wine. Okay, so Bodacious Smooth. This is my favorite red wine. Okay, not a fan of red wine, but when I do drink it, this is what I like to drink. And weak now. Too much in the peeps because I know my head light. Hold that for now and then I drink. I'll have some water after. Okay. And that is dinner. Alright, so let me show you what I want on the plates. So we're gonna put this over the side or so. And now we come and get him dinner. But let me show you what's going on. Okay, so this is my dinner. So I'm pairing my fried chicken that I just made with my leftover rice and peas from yesterday, Sunday, my coleslaw, and a little bit of oxtail. Okay, you don't know, my son mashed that up yesterday, so that's what's, well, there's some more left in the pot, but I prefer the gravy to go with the food. Right? And of course, you know, our steamed veg, broccoli, carrot, and stuff, right? And like I said, I'm gonna just pair it with a glass of red wine. Nothing too much. But as usual, let me know what you guys think about my plate. Okay? Yeah, just because it's Sunday, Monday, can, you know? Yes, see there? Fried chicken today. Yesterday, Axel and I was too lazy to fry the chicken, so I said, why not do it today? Okay, so let me know. As per usual, you know, and then we're going to taste and eat this together. Alright? Alright. But I'm going to look at it one more time. A close up look. I rate it more now, not really. I need to get a spin thing where we can spin the plate. Yes, so I'm done cooking, as you guys saw. I was trying to say as much out of the camera as I can for today because I'm kind of raggedy and I'm cold. So I'm having so much clothes. This, that, and the third. But yeah. But anyway, let's get into the meat of the matter. Yes, the meat of the matter. The meat. Time for taste of food. I don't know. I got hold on. I need to find an angle, but wait. I'm fine better angle. Let's try. What's better? You can't see food. I use the wrong tripod today, but anyway, as you don't know, I have tripod problem. Hold on, my guys. Hold on. Alright. Probably you can't see me. A little bit betterish. You can't see me a little bit betterish. But yeah, this is it. So first we're gonna taste the potato salad. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna get this taste test again. Started, okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna try make it can see good, right? So with the taste of this already, I'm gonna show my taste, but let's taste it again. Yeah, man. And like I said, it's not about the rice. How we eat the rice yesterday, so we know what it tastes like. And it's not about the oxtail either. Time to get them. Well, let me get to the meat of the matter, and then we can sit down. Sorry, guys. Let's get to the meat of the matter, and then I can go sit and eat. Okay? Let's go. Bye. Guys. Hold on. I'm gonna put it in the Wow. Oops. When I get done. Ooh. I wish you guys could taste this. Poor chance I look. I think I get that enough. So, now that you guys saw all of that, I'm gonna show. Look at the smell of oxtail. Oxtail in there, man. Well, well, sit down. I want to sit and eat, but what am I tell you? I'll make a perfect bite for you guys and then I'm gonna sit down. perfect bite of some meat, a rice, a mashed potato, hold on, and a piece of oxtail. Show me a try, man. I try good and perfect bite, see there? You guys, that's your share. And I'll tell you how it tastes. It tastes good. Thank you. Sorry, I already have your food, so. Think I'm really strong. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go sit and enjoy my food. Yeah, hold on. One more taste this, one more. So, I'm gonna go sit and eat my dinner. Probably when I don't eat that overnight rice and pizza, I might drop asleep, but I'm not gonna drop asleep because I'm gonna be watching church tonight, crusade. So, and as usual, do some editing. So once again, thank you guys so much for sticking and staying with me. You know, thank you guys for the love and the support. Please do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell our uncle, our auntie, our cousin, everybody. All right, just help a girl getting some more subscribers. All right. And you guys, let me know what you think about the food. All right, rate the food. Rate the food. Like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm not a chef. Okay. Also, remember to turn your post notification bell on, so once a video them drop, you get notified. All right, so a new video out. But yeah, so as I was saying before, the way I did the fried chicken today, this was not the way how I grow seeing my parents do it, or my people that are around me who did I cook fried chicken, right? I learned this way recently from another YouTuber. Okay, so his name, like I said, is Maris Cooking Time or Maris something, I don't remember. He's on YouTube, so you guys can go watch his videos and see. So see, you're never too old to learn. All right, so from I saw this way and I tried it, I love it. All right, so I do this way most of the time when I'm doing fried chicken. So there, I put a little bit of secret something to it, you know, but the part with the water and that I learned that from him. All right, so once again, thank you guys so much. Please subscribe. All right, cheers, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right.